everybody, here's another Fit After 50 tip. Okay, what's the best cardio to do over 50? Well, there's lots of wonderful choices. First of all, walking. Walking is easy on the joints. It's simple on your back as well as your knees. So it does help produce a really good exercise, a cardio workout without pounding. Okay, the other great one is swimming. Swimming, your body is weightless in the pool, or water aerobics. That's great too, because you're really easy on the joints, completely, really easy on the back, especially the hips and the knees. The other thing is different exercise equipment. I love an air walker, which is like an elliptical, and that is completely easy on the joints. Then maybe a treadmill if you want, maybe even a stair climber if you can. There's no pounding on the joints. You're just moving the body. So whatever you can do. Here's my favorite ones that I do for aerobics right in the house. So this is low impact, okay? So here you are, easy on the joints, the body's low to the ground, that's it. You could still get a great cardiovascular workout. Here's would be a high energy one and a little harder on the joints. So always make it a little simple. Instead of running in place, just march in place. That way your body's healthy and fit and you're still moving, because that's the key. You can do it.